This is my trusty Parkside Heat Gun. You can see the model number details just there. It's just stopped working. I know it's got power on. But nothing, there's a few pops and hisses, but it's definitely not working. Just unplug it. See what's going on. Come off the front. Oh, so that's warm. Okay. Obviously something was happening. Proving a bit reluctant. There we go. Oops. See, there's a circuit board in there, which, okay. Looks pretty simple. Seem to be the problem, I would guess. And there is the details there of what looks like a fairly big capacitor, 400 MER. LGV805K. The other one looks okay. That resistor's got a bit of scorch mark on it or something as well. Right, so I think we need to get another one of those. If anybody knows what that capacitor is, or more importantly where I get a new one from, or an alternative, please stick it in the comments. And also whether or not you think that resistor may be at all faulty. It looks to have burnt. But that's definitely obviously had it. That would be great. Thanks.